Hey, what's up guys, I'm Delpy and welcome to today's video. Today is another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to convert your Facebook followers into your Facebook friends actually into a Facebook page following. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but what I basically mean is you can convert your Facebook friends to become followers for your Facebook page. And this will require you to create a new Facebook page via the link I'll put in the description below. So there's going to be a screen recording after this video like I always do. All you have to do is to just go ahead and follow the steps so that you could just get your hands on that procedure.
Okay, so this is pretty straightforward and simple. I have the link to do this in my Telegram channel, so all I have to do is to just open the link here, and this is the critical part. What you have to make sure you do is to either open the link via your PC and use your PC's browser, or if you have Chrome on your phone, you go to this part and then select desktop sites. So once you select desktop sites, that's it. The rest is self-explanatory. And remember, if you do not open it via desktop sites, you will not get your friends to follow you and get that huge following you want. It will just create it as a normal or as a usual page. So what you have to go ahead and do is to go to get started, select the kind of niche or category your page is about. If you're an artist, you're an actor, you're a comedian, you're a musician, you're a journalist, you're a chef, entrepreneur, I mean everything is here. All you have to do is just select your portion and then go to next. So here is where your friends begin to follow you. So this one, you can see I have 1,169 friends, and here I have no followers at all. So I'll just go ahead and click on next, and then if I had a video on my page, I could have just added it to it because I selected a video creator as my category. Then I'll go to next, and then all these friends of mine will automatically follow me immediately I click on create page. So they're creating my page for me, and it might take some time, so I'll urge you guys to have a little patience for me so that we wait for this to get created so you can see the truth behind it, because I mean I can't do this without showing you real evidence. Okay, so we are done now to redirect us to the page and then give us a little bit of a tutorial on how the page would look like. So as you can see, we have our page here where we have to create our username and other stuff, but before we do that we have to make sure the page has been published. So I'll publish the page, and then that is what we have now. So this is the page logo, the page channel art. So I'll just have to click on publish page. Alright, so I was having a bit of some inconvenience, so I had to pause a bit and then come back to log in via Facebook. So right here on my Facebook page, you'd see that I have my pages here. So this is the page I created, and you can't see the followers here unless you view as a follower. So when I clicked on view as you can see now, I have all my friends who are my friends as followers now, and they say 1,169 people like this. That is the page I just created. So that is basically everything you have to do. And always remember that you'd have to open the browser via desktop. You have to open the link via your desktop browser, or check the desktop mode option on your Google Chrome browser if you do it on your phone.
So that was it. This is a simple method on how you can convert your friends to page followers. So I, for instance, our page, which you should go and follow now, has 5,000 followers because I had 5,000 friends. So you should do that. Follow us on Facebook. Links will be in the description below. Follow me on Instagram and on Twitter as well. Links will be in the description, and I'll come your way with more tutorials and more exciting tech stuff. Stay safe. Peace out.